What's going on YouTube? 3G Racing here, come back at you with another video today. And today we got some really cool parts I got in the mail. So as you can see, I got my helmet right up there, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys a closer look at that. And then I also got some custom sequential taillights in for the Eclipse. So these here are going to be out real soon, and we're going to replace them with those. So I'm going to show you those quick, and let's get right into the action. Alright guys, so these are the new taillights here. They changed between like 100 or 280 different colors. There's a little mark that came in shipping. I got a buff out there, but overall they're pretty solid. They come with all this, they're just plug and play is what he said. So I'm hoping to just download the app, install them, and we can play with them later tonight. But yeah, I'm excited to get these installed and see how they look on the car. And I want to give a big shout out to Nick Collision, I think it is, on Instagram. I'll put his information right down there, but he sent me these for a really good deal, and I'm really excited to review them, put them on the car, and see how they work for you guys. And hopefully you guys want them too. So I'm going to install these real quick, and let's see how they look. And then real quick, guys, I want to give you an update on the projects here. So we got the CUDA up and driving too. I posted a YouTube short of that if you want to check it out, but that runs and drives. The black Camaro over here, also running and driving. Just have a little transmission leak on that one, but hoping to get that to the track soon. But this looks pretty fly, doesn't it? Everything working good, but just got to do a few more repairs on that. We should be good to go. All right, guys, so it's real simple. It's just this bolt here, this bolt up here, and then this bolt that's right back there. So all you got to do is take the 10 mil and loosen it. Now it's finger tight. And just do the same for all of them there. And then those will just pop right out. And then you don't want to lose those bolts, so just put them somewhere you're going to be able to find them. Alright, and then just like that, you can just pop the taillight out. Just like so. And then after that, all you're going to have to do is let all this stuff pop out. So unhook that first, and then just twist the bulbs until they pop right out there. And boom, you got your taillight out. And then you're just going to want to do the same thing on the other side here. So I'm not going to show that again because it'll be kind of repetitive, but just going to do the same thing there, then we'll be ready to put the new ones in. Alright guys, so now we got both taillights out, so we are ready to put the new ones in. I already have these holes drilled through there from the Windjet taillights that I had purchased. So if we have to feed any resistors or anything through there, that'll be nice and simple, but yep, she's ready to go. I also wanted to let you know, I'm an idiot, so I have these like kind of mocked up and in. They look sick, but I'm an idiot, and I'll show you what I did. So he sent them to me. I didn't know this little piece came out of the little thing here. I didn't know it just slid right out of there. So what I did, I cut the wires, because when he sent me the taillights, they still had this on. I'm like, oh, I'll just have to wire it up. So I sliced up the taillight wires a little bit there. So now I'm working on wiring them all back together, but they're all mocked up right now. This is what it's gonna look like. Hopefully we can go through some colors today, and hopefully they work okay. But yeah, here's what we're looking at right now. And as you guys can hear, we took the conveyor out of the garage here. She's running and driving. So yeah, let me know how you think it sounds down below, but it looks fly, especially with all those stickers off of it too. Alright guys, so as you can see, they're like kind of working. Like I have this light on here, but I'm not able to get the turn signals working right now, and whenever I press the brakes, they turn blue. So I'm sure it's just something with the Bluetooth having to connect, but I'm not able to get it connected right now. I'm not really sure why, so we're going to keep trying to figure it out, but this is kind of getting a little bit frustrating. Alright y'all, here's my helmet then too. It's pretty cool. Zamp, it's got the face shield, got a little breather hole right here. I don't know how well you can hear me right now, but it's a pretty cool helmet. Alright y'all, so I'm out at the park now, but that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I did not end up getting the new taillights in. I ended up just putting the old ones back on for the sole fact that the Bluetooth wouldn't connect. So I'm thinking maybe I just had poor connection, poor Wi-Fi. I really have no idea, but I'm gonna need to keep troubleshooting that, and I'll install them another time. It's really just plug and play, so it takes about 10 minutes to get them in and out. So kind of a bummer, but you know, it happens. It's part of trying new things, and I've never done Bluetooth taillights before, and honestly I need to figure out why they won't connect. But yeah, they look great on the car. There's a few things I want to do to them, clean them up a little bit before it's show ready, but overall still love the way the car looks, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.